My name is Joan. I'm good, thank you. I'm from Canada. Yes, I speak a little English. My favorite color is blue. I'm 18 years old. Yes, I have one brother and one sister. I'm a student. It's 2 o'clock. I live in New York. Yes, I like coffee very much. There are 3 apples. Yes, it's very hot today. I'm reading a book. Yes, I can swim. My car is red. No, I'm single. I like to listen to music. Yes, I have a dog. My favorite food is pizza. Yes, I work as a teacher. No, I can't play the guitar. I went to the park. It's sunny. I ate eggs and toast. I go to school by bus. My favorite movie is The Lion King. Yes, I love to travel. My dream job is to be an astronaut. Yes, I like playing football. I went to the beach. I speak 2 languages. It's on Main Street, next to the bank. My favorite season is spring. I prefer tea. I'm feeling a bit tired today. My favorite book is Harry Potter. Yes, I can. I learned English at school. I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you? Yes, I am going to visit my family. Yes, I enjoy cooking very much. My favorite TV show is Friends. Yes, I can drive. I like pop music. Yes, I have a laptop. My eyes are brown. No, I don't like dancing. My father's name is John. There are 5 rooms. Yes, I love ice cream. I had a party with my friends. Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. Yes, I've been to France. I usually have a sandwich. I prefer hot weather. My mother's name is Mary. My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.